The Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo quietly appeared on the company's Indian website earlier, perhaps prematurely, as the link to the page has already been taken down. Its specs and features indicate that we are dealing with a low-priced smartphone, but also one with a trick or two up its sleeve. On the outside, the Galaxy J7 Duo looks like a typical budget Samsung phone. The 5.5-inch screen is of the Super AMOLED variety, but a 720p resolution sounds underwhelming. Below the screen is the home button with a built-in fingerprint scanner. And on top is placed an 8MP front-facing camera. At the back is a dual camera setup comprised of a 13MP and a 5MP sensor. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo runs Android 8.0 with Samsung's own custom interface on top. It has an octa-core 1.6 GHz processor, and although we don't know the exact model, we can safely assume it's either the Exynos 7884 or the 7885. There are 4 GB of RAM to support you in your multitasking endeavors and 32 GB of storage for whatever you find useful to keep. If those 32 gigs aren't enough for your needs, there's also a microSD slot. The Galaxy J7 Duo also has a 3000 mAh battery and, as the name suggests, a second SIM slot.